The PlayStation 5 Slim is the latest iteration of Sony's flagship gaming console. It was released in September 2023, and it has quickly become a popular choice for gamers of all ages. In this video, I will be taking a comprehensive look at the PlayStation 5 Slim. I will discuss its design, features, performance, and overall value for money. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more informational videos like this. And be sure to watch this video to the end. Without further ado, let's get started. Design. The PlayStation 5 Slim is a significant redesign from the original PlayStation 5. It is much smaller and lighter, and it has a more sleek and stylish design. The console is available in two colors, white and black. The white version is particularly striking, with its two-tone design and distinctive branding. The PlayStation 5 Slim is also very well built. It feels sturdy and durable, and it is clear that Sony has used high-quality materials in its construction. Features. The PlayStation 5 Slim has all of the same features as the original PlayStation 5. This includes a custom 8-core CPU and 10.28 teraflop GPU, 16 GB of GDDR6 RAM, 825 GB of custom SSD storage, support for 4K gaming at up to 120 FPS, support for ray tracing, support for haptic feedback and adaptive triggers, support for Tempest 3D audio. In addition to these features, the PlayStation 5 Slim also has a number of new features that are not available on the original PlayStation 5. These include a new cooling system that is more efficient and quieter than the original, a new stand that allows the console to be placed horizontally or vertically, a new USB-C port on the front of the console for charging and connecting accessories. Performance. The PlayStation 5 Slim performs just as well as the original PlayStation 5. Games load incredibly quickly, and frame rates are consistently high. The console is also very quiet, even when playing demanding games. In fact, the PlayStation 5 Slim is even quieter than the original PlayStation 5. This is due to the new cooling system that Sony has implemented. Value for money. The PlayStation 5 Slim is a great value for money. It is a smaller, more lightweight, and more stylish version of the original PlayStation 5. But it has all of the same features and performance. It is also more affordable than the original PlayStation 5, making it a great option for gamers on a budget. Conclusion. The PlayStation 5 Slim is a great gaming console. It is smaller, lighter, and more stylish than the original PlayStation 5, but it has all of the same features and performance. It is also more affordable than the original PlayStation 5, making it a great value for money. If you are looking for a new gaming console, the PlayStation 5 Slim is a great option to consider. Thanks for watching this review. I hope this video is informational and helpful for you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Please like it and also click on the subscribe button so you won't miss out on our next video. For the time being, goodbye.